Rise up, champions! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, my friends. Hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing awesome today. My name is Neo Reyes, and this is your Nuggets Neo. It's a wonderful Tuesday morning, April 14th, 2026. And we are back. Rise up, champions! It's been a while. It's been a while. Hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing awesome. You know, people have been asking me, "Uy, ba't ka nawala? Nasaan na si Nuggets Neo? Nasaan na yung Rise Up Champions?" Well, reason we were out for quite some time, we went through a journey. Hindi journey na lumipad tayo or we went on a vacation. No? We went through a journey. Journey through the deepest valleys, the darkest tunnel. Kakaiba yung journey na yun. And I don't know, I'm just speechless. Siguro I'm going to share it with you in the coming weeks. But for now, I'd like to share with you yung insights dun sa journey na yun. You know, when we were going through this journey, this deepest, darkest valley, deepest, darkest tunnel, what we realized, you know, during the journey, lagi kami nag-declare, Isaiah 41:10, the Lord, do not be afraid. I am with you. You are my God. Let nothing terrify you. I will make you strong and help you. I will protect you and save you. That's the promise in Isaiah 41:10. And then there's the promise in Jeremiah 29 verse 11 to 14, which my family and I are holding on to during this deepest trenches in our lives. Jeremiah 29 verse 11 to 14, it says, For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. That you will call on me and come and pray to me, and I will listen to you. You will seek me and you will find me when you seek me with all your heart. I will be found by you, declares the Lord, and will bring you back from captivity. I will gather you from all the nations and places from which I banished you, declares the Lord, and will bring you back to the place from which I carried you into exile. So those are two promises that we're holding on to during this deepest tunnel, this darkest valley. You know what we realized? Ito, culmination to nung message. In the last 2 weeks, we celebrate the Holy Week. We celebrated Easter. We went through the Holy Week, the Lenten season. And we attended the Holy Week recollection of the Feast, Alabang District. And the main message there is, you are never alone. And narealize ko nga, no? During those deepest, darkest tunnel, we are never alone. God is with us. The Good Shepherd is with us. And this Holy Week recollection is anchored on Psalm 23. And I would like to share that psalm with you. Sabi dun sa psalm, the Lord is my shepherd. There is nothing I shall want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He refreshes my soul. He leads me in the path of righteousness for His name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. You know, to me, that's a wonderful promise. Nakikita niyo, tumitingin ako dito. Why? I'm looking this way. Why? Because may kodiko ako. I'm reading something, and I just picked up this book during the Holy Week recollection. My wife picked it up, bought it, had it signed, and it's a book by our district builder, Brother Arun Gogna. Buy this book. Believe me, introduction pa lang, tumawa na ako, umiiyak na ako. And it really is, I feel that this is God's message to us now, that we are never alone. Regardless kung ano yung valley na pinagdadaanan mo, ano yung deepest, darkest tunnel that you're going through right now, remember that you are never alone and that God is always with you. Your Good Shepherd is always with you. Psalm 23, dun ko lang siya, ang tagal na nitong psalm na to, pero doon ko lang siya medyo, iba yung, it was delivered, it was preached, it was taught. It's a really intimate verse in the Bible. There. Yan, Nasa introduction yan. Psalm 23. And yun yung basis of this book. Buy this book, Never Alone, by Brother Arun Gogna. Anyway, so my point here is that we went through the deepest, darkest valleys in our life. And it was a culmination, this message, that we are never alone. And right now, ang verse na namin ngayon, my family, we have a verse lagi that we are declaring, a promise of the Lord that we are declaring. First is Isaiah 41:10, and then it's Jeremiah 29 verse 11, naging verse 11 to 14. And now, Psalm 23, because really it's a beautiful, beautiful verse, wonderful promise of the Lord. And that's our main message today. My message sa akin that regardless of what you're going through life right now, I'm talking to you, yes, you. Regardless of what you're going through life right now, kung ano man yan, I don't know what you're going through, but remember, you are never alone. God is always with you. Your good shepherd is always with you, and you just need to hold on to that promise that He will take care of you. And the same way He took care of us, diba? Ang galing, ano? This is really a culmination of that message. And one thing also that we learned during that deepest valley, that darkest tunnel that we went through, I always say this, I don't believe that God, He is the light at the end of the tunnel that you're going through, no matter how dark the tunnel is. Ang belief ko is that God, the Lord Jesus, is the light that you're holding on to when you are in the middle of that tunnel, when you are in the middle of that dark, deep valley. Siya yung pinangahawakan mo, siya yung ilaw mo, at huwag kang bibitaw dyan sa ilaw na yan. Diba? Hawak mo ang beat. Hawak mo si Lord. yun eh. And isang learning dito na nakita namin during this episode in our lives is that we discovered one thing, and that is tinitingnan ko yung past na nangyayari. We had a framework, and it gave birth to a framework. I call it the F5 framework, and I'm going to talk about the F5 framework in the coming days. Ano yung F5 framework na yan? Ano yan? Paano yan? It will work on your family, your life, your personal life first, your family, your business, and whatever it is that you're going through. So yung F5 framework, I'm going to talk about that, and I'm going to have a challenge, a free challenge coming up on April 27th, 8 p.m. Philippine time, Manila time. So if you're free and you wanted to understand more about how you're going to go through life, go through the challenges that this is an architecture. This is not just motivation. This is not just inspiration. I'm going to pour out my 25 years of experience, not 25, but 30 plus years of experience in sales, in marketing, in sales development and business process. The whole architecture, I'm going to pour it in, and I'm going to transfer the technology and teach that in this challenge. We're going to answer 5 codes. We're going to break 5 codes. I call it the Break the Code Challenge. The link is below. So if you wanted to understand this F5 framework and you wanted to achieve your Oz, as I call it, your dream destination, click the link below. And my main message to you right now is whatever it is that you're going through, kung ano man yan, remember, you are never alone. Brother Arun, I am borrowing your book. You are never alone. Buy this book. Pa-promote ko na. Shout out to Brother Arun Gogna, our district builder at FIS Alabang. Buy this book, Never Alone. Intro pa lang, tatawa ka na, iiyak ka pa. And it will surely be, let this book be God's message to you. And my message to you now is that, remember, you are never ever alone, and you are always, the Lord is always with you. God bless you all. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to continue on with this broadcast every day, God willing. So watch out. My name is Neo Rayos. This is Nuggets Neo. Nuggets nyo? Medyo nag-stop tayo kasi ngayon pa lang tayo ulit na pupunta into the group. But we are going to do this again, God willing. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video to the people within your circle. Who knows, someone somewhere out there would need some guidance, inspiration, motivation, a message or something, whatever. God bless. Ciao. See you around. Nuggets Neo. Rise up champions. Walk with the champ. Ciao. God bless you.